Hey tribe, what it do? It's your girl Keep It Keep. How you doing, y'all? Today's video, you guessed it, y'all. It's gonna be all about these here single braids, y'all. Can you tell I was feeling myself? Can you? Your girl was all and I'm telling you right now, you will be feeling yourself too if you get these. Why? Because y'all, it's a wiggity wig, which means you ain't gotta spend no time. You get to live your best life, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what? Let's get into this. But wait, if you are new here, don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe because it's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. So this wig is from Neatandsleek, y'all. Okay, they be coming through with the braided wigs. So look at this joint. It looks phenomenal. It's super neat and sleek. Hello, hence the name. Nicely tapered at the ends. It's a great length. It's not too heavy, actually. And it comes with this lovely baby hair separated section for you. That's all braided and put away. And then on the inside of the cap, it is a full lace wig, so that's probably why also it feels a little more lightweight. But they've got the band built in, you've got the clips, honey, adjustable band, that is like that bra strap vibe. And like I said, look at the detail in these braids. They're phenomenal. So the last time I used a wig from them, I did the ball cap method. This time, guys, I really didn't want to. I hate all the product. I'm just the type of person that likes to take my wig on and off. So I wanted to find a way to see if we could do this. So y'all gonna be here with me witnessing the experiment for the first time, see if I can make it work without doing the ball cap method. So this is the wig on, y'all. You can see the potential. Obviously, it looks a little cray, but you know we gonna handle that. Okay, so first up, I took out all these baby hairs. They give you more than enough, like a lot. As you can see, they're pretty long. So first I went in and kind of shortened them a bit, quite a bit actually. Yes, I cut them in more than half with the little razor. And then after that, I went in with the tweezers and thinned them out even more. I think the last time I did one of their wigs, I left it, like I played with the baby hair and I decided, let's just see what I feel like with a little extra baby hair, you know, going on. But this time I really wanted to just do more, something close to what I would normally do with my baby hair, which you guys know is not a lot of baby hair. I don't really mess with that too tough. So we just went in, we just went in and tweezed out a lot of the excess baby hair. Then I went in with the razor again and shortened them even more. And as you can see, it's already starting to look a lot more natural, which I'm in love with. So when I got into that point that I liked, I just used my scissors and cut off my lace. And as you can see, without even gelling anything down, it's starting to look really good and really natural. I was impressed, y'all. I was impressed. Then I took my Got2b gel and I laid her along my hairline because we're going to gel her down. Then I used a bit of the spray. I don't know why the spray was like burning my forehead this time, y'all. Comment below and let me know if that's ever happened to any of you. That's actually the first time that's ever happened to me where my hairline was a little like, ooh. So after I've kind of applied the gel and the spray around these areas, I have sideburns, y'all, and I need all the help I can get. So I take these two braids, make a little bow under my neck to help keep it down while I work on molding my baby hairs the way that I want to. And after that's done, you know what happens. It's time to cook, put on the tie head, and let her do her thing. So because I wasn't doing the ball cap method, I decided that while I was waiting for the hairline to dry, I would just use a little bit of concealer on the partings and kind of brighten them up a little bit more so they kind of looked a bit more like scalp. Now, I didn't do all of it while it was cooking. I waited, you know, changed my clothes a little bit, got ready, then took it off and added a bit more concealer in between. But guys, I'll tell you right now, it's not mandatory. Honestly, I almost wish I didn't do it, to be honest. After I was done, I was like, you know what? We could have gone without it because look, it was looking pretty natural. It was looking pretty good. I didn't need to go in and lighten it even more, but I was feeling like, you just never know. Let's see. But I think if you're my complexion or darker, you really don't need to do it. But if you are lighter, I think it would be beneficial. Also, Neatandsleek came through with the little gems, you know, the little hair jewels. They had gold and silver, but y'all already know I'm a gold girl, so I had to get in there with some gold little cling clings. You know what I'm saying? It's always nice to have braids and kind of just spruce her up with a little bedazzled life. You know what I mean? Makes you feel like a black magical mermaid or something. Or boho forest queen. I don't tribal queen. Yes, that's what it is. That's what it does to you. That's what it does to you. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I thoroughly enjoyed this. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm going to West Africa this month, y'all, and I'm about to be wearing these braids out in them streets without having to do braids. You know what I'm saying? Time saver, hello, but you get the look. And then you feel free to have a big old fro one day and braids the other day. It's all up to you. All right, guys. Oh, but guess what? If you made it this far, then you should probably hit subscribe to join the tribe. It's popping, it's lit, and it's where you want to be. Alright, guys, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said that she rollin'. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm going